Hi, in this video we're going to use GeoGebra to look what we mean by a coordinate. So if we have an X, Y grid, and make sure when you're drawing XY grids that you draw your axis with a ruler and label the axis, the horizontal axis X and the vertical axis Y. Now here we have a particular point. And what does the 3 and the 2 mean? Well, relative to the origin here at O, it means I go 3 units along and 2 units up. And I can click there and you can see that we have 3 along and 2 up. And therefore, the first coordinate means the X coordinate and the second coordinate means the Y coordinate. That means I can plot any point on this grid. And our grid is split into 4 quadrants. This is the first, the second, third, and the fourth. And one way to remember what comes first is it means along the corridor, and up the stairs. So it's always the X first and then the Y coordinates. Now we can move these sliders here to change their meaning. So for example, that's the point 3, 5. We can change. That means now -5, so it means from here we go back 5 and then up 5. Let's just move that down a bit, up 4. If we move that down to, let's say there, and that to there, and we'll just move this slightly out the way here, and we'll move that so we can actually see them. Let's not have them the same. Okay, so we've now got the coordinates -3, -4, so that what that means is we now go back 3 and down 4. Okay, so -3, -4. So it's always the X one first and then the Y coordinate second. And then if we move along here to the fourth quadrant, let's just do something completely different. Okay, this is the coordinate 3, -2. And so we go 3 along, down -2, so we go 3, -2. So every point that you draw on the grid can have some coordinates. So let's just put them back at 0. And this is GeoGebra app I'll put in the notes of the video. Now we can now actually go through and do this problem for ourselves. 5, 4. Now what you need to do is look for that button up here, which is here, and then mark on 5, 4. So 5, 4 will be there. Okay, unfortunately it won't mark it as A. Don't worry about that. We'll just call that 5, 4. And then we need to do 1, 6. So 1, 6 will be there. Okay, so you can do this yourself. 7, 0 will be there. 7 along, none up. And then 0, 4. So it's none that way. And then just 4 up. So that will be that point there. Okay, -3, 4. So we're going to go -3, 4. So that will be that point there. Okay. -5. -5, 2, which will be that point there, the second row now. 5 -3, so 5 -3 will be down there. Okay, 3 -5, 3 -5 will be down there. -2, so -2, -3 will be down here. Okay, and then 0, -3 will be here. And then -4, 0 will be here. So it's about getting the coordinates around the right way. You can check that for yourself. And you'll see that I've marked them all on correctly. We missed out 1J. So we forgot to do -3, -5, which is there. Let's just put that point on, sorry. Okay, so that is that point there. I don't think I can put a point on top of it. So -3, -5 will be that point down there. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to plot coordinates onto an XY grid. I hope you've understood. And like I said, the GeoGebra app I will put in the notes of the video so you can have a go for yourselves. Thank you very much for watching.